Dear students, in this chapter set, we have already learned about roster form of a set builder form, cardinal numbers, types of set, union and intersection of sets. Now your new topic is complement of sets. Now today we will learn about complement of set and how to find the complement of set. But before starting our topic, we should learn about universal set as well as the subset. So we will take a simple example of your school bag. So in this figure, let us suppose that this is your school bag. Now what does your school bag contain? It contains generally your certain amount of books, copies, your lunch box, your geometry box and your water bottle, right? So for example, this is your school bag. This maths, science, English and SST, these are your books, right? And this is your lunch box along with the geometry box. So now complete this figure is your school bag, right? So this school bag will be a universal set because it is containing all these things, right? So your math, science, English, SST, all these books along with geometry box and lunch box will call the subset, right? So this bag is your universal set and all these things which are containing in your bag is called your subset, right? This is the subset of your bag. Now we will understand the meaning of complement of a set. So now what is complement of set? Let us suppose a set A as a set and U as a universal set. Now what is the definition? Set of all the elements of universal set that do not belongs to set A is called the complement of set. Now what does it mean? That means that all the elements of universal set that are not present in set A is called the complement of set. Now how to write this complement of set? We can write complement of set as A dash. This line you can see here. This represents the complement. We can write here A complement, that means complement of set A, right? A dash or A bar. This line shows, this line represents bar. Bar means complement, right? Or you can write U minus A. That means you will subtract the set from the universal set. You will get the complement of set A, right? So let us take an easy example for understanding this concept in a better way. So let's take a universal set. I'm taking here first 6 counting numbers, right? So universal set is there 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, right? 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is your universal set. Now I'm taking here set A, right? So set A is 1, 2, 3. Now here you need to find the complement. A complement is equals to U minus A. Why I am writing here U minus A? Because above we have already written there, we can write the complement of any set as A complement or U minus C, right? So here you can write here all the elements of universal set minus all the elements of A set. Clear? Now, what definition is saying to us? Set of all the elements of universal set that do not belongs to set A. That means we have to cut all the elements of universal set which do not belongs to set A, which are belonging to A. Now here you can see that 1 is in universal set and 1 is also in the set A. So you will cut them, right? So 2 is in universal set as well as in A set. So you will cut them both. So next is 3. 3 is in universal set and in set A also. So you will cut this element also. Now you are left with only these 3 elements. So what are these 3 elements? 4, 5, 6. So this is your complement of set A. Let's take another example. So here we have taken universal set as some fruits, right? Grapes, papaya, bananas, pears and apples. And in B set, whereas in B set I have taken here bananas and pears, right? Now here I have taken here B set. In the previous example you can see that here I have taken A set and here I have taken B set. Any of the variable, any of the alphabet you can use for representing a set. I have taken here B set, right? So here you need to find the complement of set B. So you will write here B dash, that means B complement is equals to u minus b. Previously, you were finding about a complement. So you were writing here u minus a. Now you need to find the complement of b set. So you will write here u minus b. Now here you will write all the elements of universal set minus all the elements of set B. So now you will see that which are the common elements in both these sets. So now you can see here bananas in both sets and pears are also in both sets. So you will cut all these elements from both the sets. So you will left with grapes, papaya and apple. So this is the complement of set B, right? So let's take another example. So here your another example is example number 3, right? So now here you can see that we have taken here all the vowels of English alphabets, right? So now here in universal set I have taken here A, comma, E, comma, I, comma, U, O, comma, U, right? In C set also I have taken here O, A, comma, E, comma, I, comma, O, comma, U. Clear? So now here we need to find the complement of set C. Now how to find the complement of set C? Again you will write U minus C, that means universal set minus C set. You will write here all elements of universal set minus all elements of C set. Clear? Now you will see that you have to cut down all the elements which are common in both these sets, universal set and C set. So you can see that A, E, I, O, U is present in both these sets, right? So all these elements of universal set are already present in set C. So you will cut all these elements from both sides. So now you are left with what? You are left with nothing. So in what way you will represent this? You will represent nothing with empty bracket, with an empty bracket, or simply you can write here 5. So this will be called your empty set, null set or void set, or simply you can write here 5. Clear? So next we can take another example also. This is a very easy example. So example number 4. You can see here I have taken here universal set as 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, right? And I have taken here these three set all together, A, B, C, right? So what to do here? We need to find the complement of set A, B, C from this question. Now what to do? We have to find the complement of all three set A, B, C from a single universal set. Clear? So now we will start solving the question. Move on to the first step. First step is we need to find complement of set A. Now how to find complement of set A? You have already learned that we have to write U minus A. That means universal set minus A set. So you will write all the elements of universal set minus A set, and whichever same elements are there in the both set, you will cut them off. So you can see here 6 and 12 are common in both these sets. So you are left with 3, 9, 15, 18. So this is your complement of set A. Clear? So next is B complement. We need to find B complement. So you will write here U minus B, that is all the elements of U minus all the elements of B. Now you will cut all the elements which are common in both. So you will cut 9, 15, 18. Here also 9, 15, 18, right? So you are left with now 3, 6, 12. So this is the complement of set B. Clear? So next is C complement. In the same way you have found already A complement, B complement. So here also you will write C complement is equals to U minus C. So U minus C means universal set minus C set. So what is the universal set? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, right? Minus 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So now you will cut all the elements which are common in both the sets. So here you can see that 3 is in universal set, also in the C set. So you will cut them. Again 6, 9, 12, 15. All these elements are already present in C set, that is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. We have already cut all these three elements, right? All the elements we have got. So now we are left with what? We are left with only this single element, that is 18. So we will write this single element in a curly bracket. So now what does a single element represent? You know this very well. Yes, we will call this element as a singleton set, because a set which is containing only one element is known as a singleton set. So this is your singleton set, or this is the complement of set C. Clear? So now students, I think and I hope now you all are able to understand and able to do the related worksheet that has already sent in your SNAP homework. So I hope you will solve all the related question that have been sent to you in your SNAP homework. Clear? Thank you.